wicked people who killed a man and moved along, and didn't know that karma will fight, that judgment will come against them. But right now they are divided against themselves, and they keep pointing fingers. They do not know that the others are fighting, that the supernatural beings are warring them. And they say, and they cry, and they cry. I say, some say it's Ebuka, it's Keziana, but they don't know this is the sword of URIAH fighting them. Ayo, they don't know. Ooh, some say it's Ebuka, it's Keziana, but they don't know this is the sword of URIAH fighting them. They don't really know. Oh, some say it's Ebuka, it's Keziana, but they don't know this is the sword of URIAH fighting them. They keep pointing fingers at each other. They do not know that is the sword of URIAH was fighting them. They keep pointing fingers at each other. They do not know that is the sword of URIAH that's fighting them. These are slanderers, these are Kabbalistic criminals who slander the man and moved along. What kind of Jesus do you preach when you hate one another? They kill a man to help another to rise, yeah, yeah. They kill a man to help another to rise, yeah. Ooh, this is witchcraft in the fullest. The fathers are saying, and the teeth of the children are set on the edge. Oh, I'm so lost and rising. I don't need just a rising. Rebellions are rising. The kingdom is falling. There is a sword in the valley. There is a sword. There is a sword in the valley. Like the days of David. Ooh, I'm so lost and rising. I don't need just a rising. I'm so lost and rising. The kingdom is falling. There's a sword in the valley. There is a sword. Like the days of Gideon, I be like a shaking. I'm going down, 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 down. For the killer man, the killer man.
Pepiata, Sakata Bahadiata, Mekaturu Bahadiana, Ekoshada Bahadiata.
Some say it's Ebuka, it's Keziana, but they don't know this is the sword of URIAH fighting them. Ayo, they don't know. Ooh, some say it's Ebuka, it's Keziana, but they don't know this is the sword of URIAH fighting them. They don't really know. Some say it's Ebuka, it's Keziana, but they don't know this is the sword of URIAH fighting them. When the foundation, they keep waiting.